And me ask too. Not the whole community.
You shush me. You introduce me to them and say them is my family. So what? Me not welcome?
Me never say you're not welcome. But you can just come take up yourself and come over here. So, just so. Mommy, me leave you over my place. For a reason. You have everything over there to your comfort. You don't need to come over here. Stop.
So me must just lock up in the place. Just in there, so? Eh? Even though me have everything to me comfort, me can't lock up in them. What, me have all?
So, mommy, when you did that ever, when you did down there,
Me and the whole of my church people then.
so you can call me mommy. You have phone, you have WhatsApp. Me even take out, when me take out the postpaid SIM for, so you can talk to your people them. Look why you all up on Facebook, but yeah.
Yes, me have phone, me have WhatsApp and everything. Some people now no light same way. So me can't talk to someone who me really want to talk to. But me miss me yard, man. Me miss me yard. Me want go back down there, man. Me want go back to me yard.
Go back somewhere, mommy.
But
Mommy, when I tell us the next week the man them come go and take care of the place. You don't have a room. Where are you going to stay?
they might take long, you know.
Yeah, because they have to do their assessment and they have to make sure that everything is alright. You understand?
Me just feel miserable sometimes, man.
I understand, but you can't make me miserable too. Mommy, let's say I'm yard. Let's say with everything to your comfort for a reason. Obviously, I'm there with my man and my stepdad. You can't just come here so with any energy. You understand what I say?
All right, me sorry. But me can't come here daytime if me behave myself.
No, mommy. You can come here once in a while. And in a while, I mean once in a while. Me have one church. I don't know what. I don't know if I me go carry it on me so you can get introduced to church people then and you can create new friend. Alright?
All right, me sorry. Me a come go me yard now because me no want nobody get tired of me.
Mommy?
Yes, me daughter.
You can stay until tomorrow.
Thank you. Me a go take out me nighty.
Nighty? Lady, you did pat nighty? You did come here for me?
No, but you know me always come prepared. The coming of the Lord. Thank you, my daughter. So bite me fit through.
Baby?
Yeah?
What am I do?
I'm listening.
What you do? Okay. The train away. I'll go back to the bed tonight. So mommy, I stay here till tomorrow morning.
Or, never idea. You can stay in the guest room at my sleep moment.
Hello? Yes, Stuffy?